Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to check OS version in your CentOS local machine. I'm currently using Vagrant virtual machine. For that you can just use a simple simple CentOS machine for that. So before checking the OS version, let's check the Linux kernel version. We can see the Linux kernel here. Hostname CTL, and it will show you the version of the machine, which kernel it's using, architecture and all. So we are currently using CentOS Linux 7. So this information is not that much. It's not showing which version we are using of CentOS 7. So let's type another command, rpm qa, and then CentOS release. So this is the command, rpm qa CentOS release, and let's hit enter. Now it will show you the release version. We can also use another command, that is cat. We have to go to etc folder and there OS release, and it will tell us everything like CentOS Linux 7. And for the final command, we know CentOS is Red Hat based, so basically you can just go to the etc folder, and there you can simply run Red Hat release. This is the command cat etc, so Red Hat release, and let's hit enter, and we can see the CentOS release here.